Hey everyone, this is Martin from ENGL Amps, and we're here at NAMM 2019. And yeah, ENGL is here upstairs in the ESP room. ESP is now distributing ENGL in the US and in Canada from this year on, so watch out for all the news we bring out. For this year we have two new hats, the Savage 120 Mark II and the Savage 60 Mark II, and we also got the ENGL cap loader, so you have different caps in one unit that you can just go from your sound signal into this one, choose which power amp should be on. You have different options like EL34s, EL84s, and then you choose which cap should be used in this preamp, in this setting, and then you have different mics, and you can say, okay, the mic should be in the center of the cap, or what distance should be between mic and cap. And you can store the, you have two options to store what you want to choose from. So a lot of cool new stuff that's here with ENGL Amps, and yeah, we're happy if you're here, come by, and we can talk about all the gear.